Hey everyone, just a quick one. Got a Briggs and Stratton Platinum 7.25. If you tip the oil side up, your air filter will fill with oil. So you always want to tip carburetor side up. But the other thing is, see this wet spot stain on the deck? Bet that was gas. Let's check this out. Cover is dry. See the color, discoloring on that air filter? See that? Let's pull that air filter off. It's all wet. See if you can see that. There's gas inside there. That means that carburetor has failed. Most likely culprit would be the needle and seat, or the float went bad. That it does have the plastic carburetor, so you might want to keep an eye on that. Just keep an eye. If you see the stain on your deck, chances are your carburetor failed and it's leaking gas and it's going right inside 4 ounce or 18 ounces. 18 ounces of oil. When I drained the oil, I took out 24 ounces. That means 6 ounces of that oil is gas. Just wanted to give you a heads up to keep an eye out for that.